Hello everyone. So, in our first class of physics, we have started basic mathematics, and in basic mathematics, we have discussed about trigonometry in our last class. Okay, I have given you some formula, and the formulas will be required in physics. Okay, so now we will. I already told you that we have to discuss about this one. Called differential calculus and integral calculus, and you have not introduced with the calculus till now. Okay, and you will get something about calculus in HS first year, but you will get in details in the HS second year. But in physics, you have to apply the formula of integration and differentiation in the first year itself. That is why I will give you some formulas, and I will also tell you how to apply the formulas. Okay. So let us begin with the formula of calculus. Okay, in trigonometry you got lot of formula. In calculus you will get a lot of formula. So আমি এতিয়া start কৰিম calculus. Okay, so calculus to অসমীয়াত কোৱা হয় কলন গণিত. এতিয়া calculus ৰ দুটা পাৰ্ট আছে. One is differentiation or definite integral differential calculus, another one is integral calculus. Okay. So first we will go with differential calculus. Okay, अब calculus क्या है ये तो मैं बता नहीं पाऊंगा. ठीक है, your mathematics in your maths class you will be able to understand. So in differential calculus we have to apply some formula. So I will simply tell you the formula. The first one is, this is ddx. ddx is the differential operator. Okay, this is called as differential operator, just like sin, cos, tan, cot in trigonometry. So ddx of any constant, if you differentiate any constant, then your answer will be 0. For example, ddx of 5 is a constant, na? So your answer will be 0. This is example. Number 2, one more example. This is example 1. This is example 2. ddx of y cube. Acha, in ddx, what is the variable here? Variable here is x. This is the variable here is x, but this is y. So for this variable x, a x variable tor karone a y to ki hobo constant. So ami eta ki likhim this is also 0. Okay, monot rakhiba etu ki etu x. ddx লিখিলে আমার ভেরিয়েবল টু কি হবে x, dd y লিখিলে আমার ভেরিয়েবল টু কি হবে y, ddz লিখিলে ভেরিয়েবল টু কি হবে z. This is the first example and this is the second example. Number second formula, ddx of x to the power n. ddx of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1, nx to the power n minus 1. Let us go through a formula. ddx of x to the power 4, then it will be what? What is the value of n here? 4. X to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 4x cube. This is the first example. Okay. What is the second example? ddx of, if it is x to the power minus 4, what is the value of n now? N is minus 4. X to the power n minus 1, so it will be minus 4 x to the power minus 5. This is the formula. ddx of x to the power n, these are the formulas. Okay, this one inside the box. The third formula is ddx of sin x. ddx of sin mx. M is a constant, so it will be m cos mx. For example, say ddx of sin thrice x. So the answer will be 3 cos. What is the value of m here? M is 3, na? So 3 cos thrice x. Done. Number 4, ddx of What will happen if it is cos mx? Then it will be minus m sin mx. Okay. For example, ddx of cos thrice x, it will be minus 3 cos 3x. Done. Number 5, ddx of 10 ठीक है, ddx of 10 mx, it will be m sec square mx. Done. So this is about ddx of sin, cos and tan. बाकी सब नहीं चाहिए. Number 7, it is ddx of log base ex. Okay, this is the base is e. Logarithm we will discuss in the next part. This is also written as ddx of ln x. This is known as natural logarithm. Okay, if the base is e, this is equal to 1 by x. Number 8, ddx of e to the power mx, where m is a constant, m e to the power mx. Okay. These are formulas. और है थोड़ा. Next one is the number 10, which is another important one, ddx of uv. देखो, what is the variable x? What are the terms here? u and v, where u and v are the functions of x. Okay, now you cannot say then u and v are constant with respect to x. Why? Because u and v are the function of x, na? So what will be the formula then? ddx of uv, first u dv dx, matlab you have to differentiate it first. You have to differentiate the second term first, plus v du dx. This is the dx of uv. Acha, number 11, ddx of y, where y is equal to u to the power n and u is a function of x. So এটা কি কইছে সোয়া, ddx of y, কিন্তু y মানে কিমান আকো u to the power n, আকো u to কি, u is a function of x, তার মানে y is indirectly a function of x. ठीक আছে, तो এতিয়া तो তুমি एटू कांस्टेंट लब नोरा, हम इसको कांस्टेंट नहीं ले सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि y is equal to u to the power n and u is a function of x. It means y is a function of x. So you cannot consider y as a constant with respect to x. So আমি এটা কি করিম, ইয়াতে আমি করিম এনেকুৱা যদি টার্ম থাকে is equal to ddx of কিমান হ'ব u to the power n, তেতিয়া আমি লিখিম ফর্মুলাটো হ'ব n u to the power n minus 1 ddx of u. এটো সোয়া আমি কি লিখিলো, n u to the power n minus 1, আকো আমি কাক ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কৰিব লাগিব, ইওক এবাৰ সেপারেটলি ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কৰিব লাগিব. ওকে, so these are the formulas that you have to apply it from differentiation. Done. One more formula, that is নাম্বার 12 যদি এটো এনেকে থাকে ddx of u by v and u and v are the function of x তেতিয়া হলে আমি কি কৰিম ফার্স্ট v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v square. Okay, then the formula will be v u को डिफरेंशिएट u को डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा फिर u को कांस्टेंट लेके v को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे divided by v square. So these are the formulas we will apply in physics, and if some additional formulas are required then I will give it in the class. Okay, let us do an example based on ddx of uv. एग्जाम्पल वी विल डू इट इन द क्लास. इसका में हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल थोड़ा देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, सपोज y इक्वल टू x प्लस a टू द पावर 5. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ddx ऑफ y. मतलब you have to calculate what is the value of dy dx. Now you look at this, y is a function of x, na? So we will apply this formula now, this one. So dy dx, this differentiation अभी थोड़ा नया नया है ना, तो थोड़ा अजीब जैसा लगेगा. धीरे धीरे you will be familiar with the differentiation. So what is dy dx now? It will be, this is what? It can be written as u to the power n, na? This is u. U is equal to what? U is x plus a. तो फॉर्मूला क्या था? You write this one as x square. Okay. So what is the formula? N u to the power n minus 1. मतलब n u is x square plus a. N is 5 here, ना? 5 minus 1 ddx of किमान होबो u. u माने किमान x square plus a. তেতিয়া হলে এটো আমি কি লিখিম 5 x square plus a to the power 4. আচ্ছা এটো ভাঙি দিলে কি হবো এটো হবো ddx of x square plus ddx of a. আচ্ছা তো এটো হল 5 x square plus a to the power 4. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करने से कितना होगा n x to the power n minus 1 plus a is a constant with respect to x, so it will be 0. So 5 2s are 10 x square plus a to the power 4 into x. So it will be 10x x square plus a to the power 4. Okay. So this is about something differential calculus. Okay, when we will do the problems from our textbook then it will be clear to you, but thing is you must have to remember the formulas. Okay, so try to remember all the formulas. 10x এটো आंसर কিমান আহিলে 10x into x square plus a to the power 4. আচ্ছা যদি এনেকুৱা দিয়ে if y is equal to 7x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 9x square plus 5x minus 4. এটো দিয়া আছে y আৰু উলাব দিছে dy dx কিমান হ'ব dy dx তো কিমান হ'ব উলাব দিছে. সো তোমালোকে কেনেকৈ কৰিবা এইটো সলিউশন ddx of y, what does it mean? It means ddx of 7x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 9x square plus 5x minus 4. Now you separate each and every term. So it will be ddx of 7x4 plus ddx of 6x to the power 3 minus ddx of 9x square plus ddx of 5x minus these are examples. There are a lot of examples that you can do. Minus ddx of 4. So here 7 is constant. So bring it to the front. ddx of x to the power 4. 6 is constant. सामने लेके आओ इसको क्योंकि कांस्टेंट का कोई काम नहीं है. माइनस 9 ddx of x square plus 5 ddx of x minus, this is constant na, so it will be 0. ddx of any constant is what? 0. Now this is 7. What is the value of n? 4. x to the power 3 minus 1 plus 6 into 3 x to the power 3 minus 1 9 into 2 x to the power 2 minus 1 5. What is the power of x here? 1. So it will be 1 x to the power 1 minus 1. Oh, it will be 4x to the power 4 minus 1. So this is 7 4s are 28 18 minus 18 plus 5. X to the power 0. What is the value of anything to the power 0? 1. So this is the answer. So in this way you have to solve. Acha, how will you solve? Another question. ddx of root x. How will you differentiate it? So ddx of root x, very simple. It is ddx of root x means x to the power half. So n x to the power half minus 1 half x to the power minus half half into 1 by x to the power half half. This is the ddx of root x. Okay. So these are the ways. जब हम लोग फिर बाद में प्रॉब्लम करेंगे तो और ये क्लियर होगा. ठीक है. So now I will give you some formula based on integral calculus. Integral calculus is actually opposite of differential calculus. Okay. Opposite of differential calculus. Let us check. So now I will give you some formulas based on integral calculus. Okay. First formula is integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. बाद में एक कांस्टेंट आता है, but we will not write the constant now. So for example, suppose integration of x to the power 3 dx. What is the value of n here? 3. So it will be x to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is x to the power 4 by 4. Okay. Acha, this is question number A. What will happen if it is integration of 7 dx? Then constant को बाहर लेके आओ. Constant का कोई काम नहीं. What is integration of dx? इसको हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकता है ना, integration of x to the power 0 dx. तो it will be 7 x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. So 7x. Okay. So you simply remember integration of dx equal to x. यहां से क्या मिलता है, दैट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx इक्वल टू x। इतना करने का जरूरत नहीं है, ओके, इट विल टेक टाइम। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला इंटीग्रेशन इज द रिवर्स ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन ना। सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos theta d theta, what will be the answer? This is sin theta। अच्छा, ऐसे करते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos mx dx, so it will be sin mx by m। ये जो आंसर मिला तुमको, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो, डिफरेंशिएट करने से ये मिल जाएगा, दोनों एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट है, ठीक है। नंबर 3, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin mx dx क्या होगा तब, इट विल बी माइनस cos mx by m, ओके। नंबर 4, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sec square theta d theta is equal to tan theta, okay। I have changed from x to theta, ठीक है। नंबर 5, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by x dx क्या होगा, log base e x और ln x। नंबर 6, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e to the power mx dx, it will be e to the power mx by m, okay। So these are the formulas that you have to apply from integration, okay। So let me think, is there any other formula left out? कोई अगर है भी तो हम लोग क्लास में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, हाँ। So these are the formulas that we will apply from integration। Basically this formula will be applied, and there is a term that is called definite integral। In definite integral what we have to do, we have to put the limit। So let us check one definite integral का एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। सपोज ऐसे दिया हुआ है, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 7 x to the power minus 3 dx, lower limit is suppose a, upper limit is suppose b, okay। And if suppose lower limit is suppose say 5, upper limit is suppose say, lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4। So how we will do it? First do the integration, 7 x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, upper limit 4, lower limit 3। So it will be 7 into x to the power minus 2 by minus 2, 4 by 3। Then what you have to do, it will be minus 7 by 2, 1 by x square 4, no, lower limit is 2, 4, 2। Then how, what will happen in the next step? Minus 7 by 2, first you put the upper limit, that is instead of x you put 4, then minus, remember what sign will be there, minus, it will be 1 by 2 square। So what will be the answer? It will be minus 7 by 2, 1 by 16, minus 1 by 4, 16, 1 minus 4, so 1 minus 4 is 3, so it will be 21 by 32। This type of integration where we will put the limit is known as definite integral, okay। This is known as upper limit, and this is called as lower limit, and this is the procedure to put the limit, okay। So this is all about integration, done। सो कैलकुलस इतना फॉर्मूला ही चाहिए तुम लोगों को. After that we will go for some formula from logarithm. And yesterday I told you that those students who opted advanced mathematics as elective in class 10, they got this one, logarithm. So from logarithm we have to apply some basic formula. First one is log a to the power n. This is n log a. Okay, power will come to the front. Number 2, log a plus log b. So this is log a into b. Number 3, log a, if it is minus, then it will be log a by b. अगर माइनस है तो डिवाइड, प्लस होने से इनटू. नंबर 4, log base ex. This is important. Then it can be written as 2.303 log base 10 into x. इस पे एक्चुअली जितना भी लॉगरिथम है ना, सबका बेस कितना है? 10. So log base ex is equal to 2.303 log base 10x. It can also be written as नेचुरल लॉगरिथम का x का नेचुरल लॉगरिथम. ओके, सो फ्रॉम लॉगरिथम आई थिंक दिस फॉर्मूलाज आर सफिशिएंट फॉर योर हायर सेकेंडरी इन फिजिक्स. ओके, सो दीज आर फ्रॉम लॉगरिथम. नाउ यू नो अबाउट प्रोग्रेशन. यू गॉट अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके, from progression you got AP. In AP, what is the series? First one is A, B, C, D, suppose like this. So what is the criteria? Criteria is B minus A must be or equal to C minus B must be or equal to D minus C. मतलब सबका डिफरेंस सेम होना चाहिए. ओके, B minus A must be or equal to C minus B must be or equal to D minus C. So what is the sum here? What is the formula of sum? S equal to क्या था? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, this D is not equal to this one. इसको हम ऐसे रखते हैं. This is equal to D, and what is D? D is the common difference. Okay, and S equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Done. A new series you have to do in your mathematics, that is known as geometric progression. You will get this one in mathematics, geometric progression. This is GP. What is GP? First term is suppose A, second term is AR square, AR cube, like this. What is the ratio? This by this. AR by A is equal to R. What is this by this? AR square by AR is equal to R. What is the another one? AR cube by so R. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या बराबर था? डिफरेंस. दिस बाई दिस माइनस दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस माइनस दिस माइनस दिस माइनस दिस. यहाँ पे देयर ratios are equal. So R is known as here common ratio. Common ratio. In physics, you will get the value of R always less than A. R जो है, R का वैल्यू you will always get less than A, or you can say you will always get less than 1 in physics. So if R is less than 1, then sum of GP is equal to A divided by 1 minus. We will not keep n here, we will simply write S equal to a by 1 minus r. But in mathematics they will provide r to the power n, but we will not go for r to the power n. Here sum will be a divided by 1 minus r. And remember, in physics the value of r will be always less than 1. Till now हम लोगों ने जितना भी न्यूमेरिकल किया, कभी भी हम लोगों को कॉमन रेशियो r से 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं मिला है, ठीक है. तो here the sum is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the sum is a divided by 1 minus r. And if r is greater than 1, there is a different formula that you will obtain in mathematics. Okay. So these formulas we will apply in our physics. Okay. और अगर कभी कभी different formulas आता भी है, तब मैं तुम लोगों को बताऊंगा during that class itself. Okay. So try to remember all this formula. So in our next class we will go for the main physics part. Okay. Main physics जो होता है that we will start by our next class. So first chapter which is physical world. So from the first chapter that is a theoretical chapter. वहाँ पे scientist का नाम है, scientist বিলাকৰ নাম আছে, ইহঁতৰ জন্ম কেতিয়া হৈছিল এইটো লিখা আছে, তেওঁলোকে কি ডিসকভাৰ কৰিছিল, কি কৰিছিল সেই গোটেইখিনি লিখা আছে. So go for it. The important and the topics that we need to analyze in our classroom, we will go for that portion only. Because say for example Albert Einstein, তেখেতৰ জন্ম কেতিয়া হৈছে, কি ডিসকভাৰ কৰিছে, এইবিলাক আৰু মই ক্লাছত বুজাব নালাগে. So you guys go for it. Simply there are 4 type of forces: gravitational, electrostatic, nuclear, strong nuclear and weak nuclear. I will go in details about the types of forces only. Okay. Then the second chapter will be units and measurement. That is also not related to physics. Some calculations are there. The main physics will be we will start from the third chapter, that is known as motion in a straight line. Okay.